Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Birchbox unboxing. This box this month looks really good, really gorgeous. I really love the pattern and style. Really going to keep my box because I love to keep all my boxes. But this is going to be a quick unboxing. Look at even this. The boxes are always so cute. I'm just like really loving it. This side got some flowers. Really gorgeous. But yeah, we're in quarantine. We want something, okay? We want something for our skin, for hair, face, all of that. We want something to keep us looking good. So we come out, we don't looking rough. We're not gonna be looking rough and all of that. So this month we're gonna see what Birchbox has to offer, and this box is called that Anthropology. So yeah, let's jump right into the unboxing. So it says one of a kind. Oops. And April box has 5 products this month. Okay, so we have 5 products. Let's not jump into that. We also have a £500 shopping spree by Anthropology in 6-month Birchbox subscription card here. I'm gonna put that to the side and let's jump right into this box. It's so cute. My kids always playing with these, so I think they already tried to take some out. But we're gonna jump right into the first thing I see, which is this facial silicone cleansing pad. I love things like this. I've never had the one from Brushworks before, but it's an exclusive to Birchbox. This is what it looks like. It's a cute little pad. Let's just open it and see. So it's got this little, it's like a sticky thing. Probably can stick it on your wall and that. It looks just like that. So you just take it and you rub it on your face, scrub it. Really good. I think that's really good because you can, it's silicone and you can even wash it off and it's not really going to cause any bacteria or, you know, stuff like that. It's really hygienic. It says it's good for cleaning your pores, exfoliating and softening your skin, massaging the face, and it delivers a deep cleansing result for stubborn makeup and skin impurities. So can't wait to try this out. I'm really loving anything skincare, so this is gonna go in very handy for me. Yeah, so this one, let me see how much that is. Normally it's regularly $4.99. Yes, and this is, as I said, it's a Birchbox exclusive. So yeah, really excited to try that. So cute for $4.99. Probably could have been cheaper, but yeah, certain things are not that cheap these days, isn't it? All right, next we have this Nox or Nukes. I hope I'm saying that right. And this is their multi-purpose dry oil. I've had this before. I had a rose kind of oil, pink one before, and this is the, I can't pronounce this, but it has 6 essential oils in this. Okay, it's got almond, camellia, hazelnut, and all of this is gonna hydrate the skin, making it velvety sheen and shiny and glowing. It's got vitamin E in here. You just rub it in your palm of your hands and stuff. I really love it. It's got that, it's got a smell that not everybody might not like. Sometimes it doesn't have an overpowering smell, but I love dry oil. Sometimes you need it, especially in summer when you don't want to be too greasy. But it does have a perfumey kind of smell, which I was saying, like, this might be fresh for some people, but it might be overpowering for some people. Like, yeah. But this oil is normally £29.50. Okay, wow. He says it right there. So this little oil is definitely really good. I really recommend it. If you can get your hands on it, try it out. Okay, so next we have Percy and Reed London Hair, and it's a dry shampoo. I really love this stuff, even though I can't really use it in my hair, but when they have normal shampoos and stuff, I really like trying it out. The dry shampoo, I probably can give it to somebody else in my family, or give it in a giveaway. If you want this in a giveaway, please let me know, because I got a giveaway coming up really soon when I hit 5K. Really excited. My birthday's this weekend as well, so I'm really looking forward to some things. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to giving back. So if you want this in a giveaway, let me know. But they really have really good smelling stuff. Really like Percy and Reed, and this is a travel size, as it says here. It is regularly £6, okay, and this is the My Goodness No Fuss Fabulousness, wow, dry shampoo. Wow. Okay, so you guys know what dry shampoo does, don't you? So we ain't gonna get into that too much. Next we have a mood balm in Positivity Pink or Sorbet Serenity, full size, and it's regularly £13. It's like a little lip balm. Let me see, can't even open it. That oil kind of make my hands starting to sweat now. It's so hot in London. It's beautiful weather, and yeah. Here we go. Got this nice purple color here. Ooh, let me do a swatch. Let me see if it has any pigment. It doesn't really have any pigment to it that much, so it's like a sheer sheen, or like a balm just to like wear over, maybe if you don't want to wear too much makeup or something. I don't know why my lighting's going off these days. It's getting, because the sun is just like making everything go off. But this, as I said, is regularly £13, which I think is quite expensive, but it might be good. So I'm going to try that out and let you guys know what I think. Whoops, don't want to drop it now. And it's by KNDR Beauty. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, where I'll be putting up videos on my Birchbox and all of that. And lastly, we have this Eugene, Hygiene's Paris. Please don't kill me, guys, okay? Infusion Blanche Purifying Face Wash. Oh my god, I'm butchering things today. I'm bumbling words. Okay, so this is normally £21, and this is a, let me read it, Sweep Away the Day with Purifying Cleanser. So it's a cleanser. It's ideal for all skin types. It's got tea tree, aloe vera, glycerin, and eliminates every trace of makeup and dirt without leaving your skin feeling dry, tight, on, and it makes it bright, clear, and healthy. This is what I'm going to be using tonight. Okay, just massage it onto wet skin, rinse, and go. Okay, £23 or £21. Yes, definitely going to be using this. Definitely going to be using my Brushworks cleansing pads, and that's $4.99. And I'm also going to be using this oil. Definitely going to really put it all over. It's really worth it. It's really going to make you feeling really silky smooth. Okay, so I'm really loving this box. There's a few things, as I said, will be in certain unboxings, not unboxings, certain giveaways that I have coming up. I have a few giveaways coming up, so please stay tuned to that. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you want to see anything more from me like this, any unboxings, please subscribe, comment below, and also give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to or follow Birchbox on their website, because they have so much stuff going on. You will get so much deals, and you could also get your own box if you like. So I'll leave the link below in the description. And until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next unboxing.